right, y'all, here we go. 2009 Nissan Maxima SV has 162,000 miles and some change. A little quick test drive. So I go do my walk around. Has cold AC, navigation that works. Everything works, AC works. Here's your map. The warning on the map. There we are. There's I-20, the lovely city of Lithonia, Georgia. We got leather seats. We've got the panoramic roof. There we go. This shade right here, that top shade does not close. I'm not sure exactly what's going on with that. So that's one of the gigs on this car right here. But other than that, it actually drives very good. Had a little bit of work done on it. We got the valve covers are replaced, so there's no oil leaks or anything like that. Power steering's been done. Replaced the front bumper, fog lights, all that good stuff. Apparently it was in the something happened when I bought it. It didn't have a front bumper, so I'm assuming someone hit something they had no business hitting. But it's not salvaged, it's clean title, there's nothing wrong with it. It is tracking straight. Probably could use some tires. There you go, there's the steering wheel, so you can see it's tracking straight. The tire sensor light is on. I believe one of the sensors is bad. It's like a $50 fix. Dash has a little bit of wear. Remember, this is a 2009. However, it does drive very good. Is it very good or very well? You know, let me know. Is it very good or very well? Does it drive very good or drive very well? I think it's very well. Anyway, AC works, radio works. Yeah, we don't want to regulate right now. AC works with panoramic roof with the dual shades. It has heated steering wheel for those cold Georgia mornings. Memory seats, power seats. It's equipped with satellite radio. You just have to get your subscription transferred over to the vehicle. Brakes are in good shape. What else am I missing? It's equipped with a spoiler. 3 of these windows are tinted. I don't know what happened to the passenger window. Passenger window is not tinted, but all the other windows are tinted. Don't know why. That's how I got it. The dashboard has seen better days. It's kind of weathered. That's a common Nissan thing for 2009. As you see, the steering wheel right here is worn, but that doesn't stop the functionality of it. I'm gonna get on the interstate real quick. I know we don't do many interstate rides when we're test driving, so we're gonna do a quick interstate ride. Then we're gonna get to the pictures and the walk around. So, getting on. It has sport mode. You can go in manual. I'm gonna shift over to sport. So let's see what happens when I go to sport. If you see the D right there on the bottom in the screen, there should be an S that goes on when I go to sport. I'm going to sport. So that's sport. Yeah, so we're in sport now. Let's see what happens. What's the speed limit? 70? Okay, so the speed limit is 70. We're about to enter into the lovely country of Mexico. See if we can get around some of this traffic. This thing will get up and go, guys. It will get up and go. It ain't no sports car or nothing, but for a family sedan, it will get up and go. Let's get out of sport. Okay, now we're back in regular drive mode. It will get up and go. So we'll be back once I get stopped with the walk around. All right, y'all, made it back to my destination. This is a 2009 Nissan Maxima SV with approximately 162,000 miles and some change. Front bumper has just been recently painted. Fog lights replaced, grill replaced, all that good stuff. So color's slightly off because the car is 2009 and the bumper is 2021. So anyway, we got the panoramic sunroof. know what y'all really concerned about? The engine. This is why the hood was up. So if you see the hood up in the pictures, this is why it's up. So we have the V6. I'm gonna shut up so y'all can hear. Heard that? That's the AC compression just kicked in. This one is equipped with a CVT transmission. That's constant velocity transmission. Basically means it don't shift like the normal car. So that's why it shifted like it did in the test drive earlier. Tires are in okay shape. Could use some new ones, but that's fine. Get this door. So here's our interior. Black leather interior with red stitching. Seats are in decent shape. Here we go. The dash got some wear on it. Some wear on the other side. Again, some wear on the steering wheel. We've got heated and cooled driver's seat. We got a heated passenger seat. This is for the sunshade in the rear. I haven't tried it yet. Let's see. Turn you guys around. Oh, so it's up already. So that's in the up position, and then the button again in the down position. That's pretty cool. Show you the button. So this is the button. This is the down position, which is in the up position. Gear shifter, black with red stitching. Manual shifter over here. Put over here is in sport. You got your cup holders, your little dilly dallies, armrests. There we go. Turn the lights on. Panoramic roof. Press up for vent. Rear shade's got to go all the way back. There we go. Now this front shade does not work for whatever reason. Just gonna have to pass those cost savings on to you guys because it would basically cost me too much. We've done valve cover gaskets, so there's no oil leaks. Emissions was just done. Power steering was serviced. Brakes are in good shape. It shifts great. Everything works. It does need tire pressure sensor. No check engine lights, no codes. It's got a couple little scratches and dings, but it is a 2009. There you go, the interior. Driver's side. Got the power seats, heated seats. This one has a heated steering wheel. There's a heated steering wheel. This button is for your trunk, your mirrors, traction control. This is the rear count. The rear continues, so if your seat goes back to your exiting position once you get out. The radio does have phone Bluetooth, but not Bluetooth audio, so you won't be doing your Bluetooth audio through there, but you can answer your phone calls. Excuse me. You got tinted windows on this side. For some reason, the passenger window is not tinted. No oil leaks. It's pretty good shape, guys. Pretty good shape. The mirror on the passenger door is always so replaced with the bumper. The door is closed. See it from afar. Again, a 2009 Nissan Maxima SV. Fully loaded. Fully loaded. This one got everything 2009 had. So again, this is Chris at McMath Autos. Our phone number is 404-719-8355. The website is McMath Autos with an S. Also on Facebook and Instagram, McMath Autos. Please like, comment, subscribe, share the video if you're interested. This Maxima, we haven't priced it yet. I'm assuming it's gonna go somewhere between $5,000 and $5,500. So that's a great deal because they blue book at $65,000 to $7,000. So again, this is Chris at McMath Autos. give us a call, email, a text. Peace.